What is up guys, Julie Mikkel here of Social Vignerons, back with another wine video. It's gonna be a quick one this time. I had some great times during this harvest 2018. Some great times visiting wineries, working with wineries, witnessing 1 year of hard work in the vineyard to produce some gorgeous grapes that are going to become delicious wines. I also had some tough times though, as the struggle for being an independent wine writer and a professional content creator is real. I think this year I had both the best and the worst vintage of my life, and I've seen quite a few as a winemaker and as a wine commentator. But c'est la vie. Still, I wanted to pay tribute to the wine growers and the work of the wine growers this year. So I've assembled a quick wine video of my harvest 2018. Enjoy. Expression of the grapes themselves. When you taste the Prosecco wine, you can taste the grapes pretty much themselves, and that's a big part of it is because of the machine harvest. See if I can climb up with the camera, hey? Ciao, buongiorno.